Hello, I'm Janet Broughton and I am the Positive Change Coach. And I am inviting you to join me next week. So that's Monday the 27th of September through to Friday the 1st of October. Just for 10 minutes a day, I'm going to bring you a video and it will be recorded so you can watch it at any time to suit you. And we will be looking at how to create or manage change in your life. Because there are different areas that work for us, great, leave it alone. But there are areas where we struggle, where we want change, but we don't know how to affect it. And we don't know how to handle it if we do. So I'm looking at 5 areas of your life. We'll look at relationships and how they can be changed for the better for both of you. And that's relationships, partners, family, friends, work colleagues, whoever you're in a relationship with. We'll look at changing the job or career, or changing how you feel about your present job. Because what I want you to feel when you go to work every day is joy. If you're not feeling the joy, then we need to just explore that and how you can develop it and how you can successfully change into a feeling of joy about your job. We'll look at lifestyle. Are you stuck on the same thing, same way, and I'm always doing this? I don't feel right. You feel that almost bunged up, if you like, and throughout your body, because this isn't what I wanted. Are you sat back thinking, how did I get here? So we'll look at those lifestyle changes and how to make them successfully. And then we'll look at those points in your life where you are doing the reflection on, is this where I want to be? I've now hit 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Scarily, my next one's 70. Oh, it's not me, is it? So each decade, perhaps it's time to reflect on. Or there's a major change come in your life that you weren't expecting. And then it's, how do I now change to take on board what's happened and make it something positive? And then finally, we'll look at the changes that come that you want to make, but you're equally scared of. So becoming a parent for the first time, or second time, or third time, or fourth time, each time is different. Getting married, moving to the house of your dreams, whatever it is, it's something positive, but inside I'm really scared. And how do I handle that? How do I deal with the enormity of what I'm doing? So just 10 minutes a day, I'm going to give you some nice techniques, both practical, and then explore how, as the Positive Change Coach with my 60-day Positive Change program, I can bring you proven techniques, part of my positive change system, that is going to enable you to manage change and create change, not just now, but in the future. So I look forward to welcoming you. If you want more information, you can contact me at janetbroughton@thepositivechangecoach.com. And you can also look on my website, thepositivechangecoach.com. These videos will be available on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and I will send out to all of those of you on my email list. And if you want to add to that or know somebody who'd like to join us, please let me know and I will add you to my list. I look forward to working with you next week and sharing the way forward for you. So thank you very much.